Hello, my name is Anton and I'm Chief Architect at ProfiSeaLabs.com. So what the Cloudsitter? Cloudsitter is the feature that gives you ability to control the state of your resources. Mainly it's computer resources. It could be like EC2 databases, EKS, autoscaling groups, Redshift, whatever is related to the computer resources will be displayed here. And what you can do with that? You can control the state, so you can shut it down or you can start it up. And also, you can create policies. Policies is like a schedule. I will create one. Let's call it night shift, night shutdown. And for example, I don't want to keep my Kubernetes clusters up and running during the night. There is no point for me for that. This is no point for that. So I can add resources, and for example, I want EKS. I have 3 different node pools of my node groups of my EKS. I can mark all of them, can click save. After that, I can choose like when I want to shut them down, when I want to start them up. So for example, I want to do something like that. Even, you know what, Saturday the whole day, Sunday the whole day, it should be shut down. And during the working days, it should be up and running only during the normal working hours. Let's say it should be running only from 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. And basically, the platform says that my estimated savings is going to be $1,100 per month if I will be shutting down or keeping up and running only during the working hours those 2 node groups. So then I can specify where to send the notification about the policy, and then I can save. That's it. Really simple. Once you done that, the resources that are assigned to the policy will be described or displayed within the tab called Scheduled. So in Scheduled, I will see all the resources that are applied or attached to one of the policies. So I see those resources, I see their current state, and also I see how much of the money those policies saved me money for the current months and so on. What else I can do with that? For example, I have a node group or a cluster that I don't want to be shut down today because I'm planning to work with this node group. Or for example, I want to work with this node group during the weekend. So I can click on the policy and I can pause the policy. And it's basically asking me for how long I want to pause the policy. So for example, I want to pause it for 2 days, or maybe I want to pause it forever. And then I will need to go back to the system and manually enable it again, or I want to pause it till some specific date and time. So for example, I want to pause it till like Monday, I don't know, like 8 a.m. Click save, done, that's it. And then you have a mark that policy for this resource was paused manually. It will continue work by touch policy only on Monday at 8 in the morning. That's the Cloudsitter.